Minhaj Welfare Foundation. The few years I've been interacting with them, and their opinion was marvelous, because they want to help a community and sustain that help themselves, not to be dependent to any other person. So whenever idea they come up with, it should be sustained with or without the assistance of Minhaj Welfare Foundation. They give the ideas on how to come up with the ways to sustain, either if it is a project of a school or a medical center, or so it really helped the community open their eyes to them. Because when they start a project like the school project that they have started in Kitere, they are aiming to ensure that the students within the community get education. They get the highest standard of education. They go to university, and those students come to help those who are below them.
I want to be a doctor. I want to treat my people in our society, because here in our location, many people are dying with diseases just because we don't have doctors in our area.
We did Minhaj Secondary School to be supported because, one, the community here, as I had said earlier, is marginalized, and most of the members of the community are very poor. They survive on less than $1 a day.
What I will say to this Minhaj Welfare Foundation, to see if they can get more assistance to build more schools to other areas which are in difficult, like this area they have built. This idea of the school, it is the mother of all the projects they have been assisting in this area. They are praying day and night to ensure God give them the ability and the capacity to make their dream of educating and ensuring the people's lifestyle changes in this area be successful.
Hawashukuru Minhaji. Hashukurani huyu hata kwa vingine wahusaidi, lakini huwashukuru Minhaji.